welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I did some locks, these dress locks. My first time doing it on myself. I did a pretty good job. So off camera I did my hair, and now I have like 5 more pieces. I didn't feel like braiding it, so I just twisted my natural hair, and I ran out of the free dress braiding hair, so I just used regular braiding hair that I had saved. So it worked out pretty good. So I'm going to show you how I did it the same way as I did in the other video with the just dress locks I did on my cousin's hair. It's the same way I'm going to show you right here. So you get close to your scalp and you just wrap it tightly, going around the scalp, and then one side will be the length and then the other side will be where you wrap, and you just continue to wrap down. Me, I prefer to wrap down tightly so it can be secured, and then when I go back up I would like do it loosely. So like here I'm just wrapping it down and just grabbing some more hair, because unfortunately I ran out of the free dress braiding hair, so I just improvised and used regular braiding hair, and it worked. So just continue to wrap down tightly, and now I'm gonna make a loop and wrap back up again. See, wrapping back up, and you will get that messy look if that's what you're looking for. And yeah, so yeah, I just added some more here because I want it to be a little bit more fuller right there, and you don't have to worry about taking it out. You can just add a little bit more hair to it and then it will be fixed. So yeah, there you go guys. And the video is self-explanatory. You just continue to wrap, hold one piece of hair on one side for the length, and then you hold the other piece of hair where you're going to wrap, and you just continue to wrap going down. But when you get to the root, you wrap tightly up top, and you continue to wrap downwards. See? So yeah, I'm not going to talk the rest of the video because it's self-explanatory, so I'm not going to keep blabbering. So yeah, I'm on my last piece and it came out pretty good, y'all. Oh, there go Eli. Eli, my little boy. I love him so much. Getting so big and annoying. So back to my hair. Just one piece. Yep, got some color going on here. And continue to wrap at the root. You wrap tightly, okay, to secure it in. You gotta secure it, so wrap tightly at the top, and then you continue to gradually go down. It's really easy, guys, really easy. But I prefer to not use the braiding here because, you know, the features here is more way better. And I did that off camera to the back of my hair. But unfortunately, your girl had to save some money and I was not going back to the beauty supply store to get some more hair. So I had to do what I had to do. But yeah. So I'm just going to continue to wrap down and fold it in and then bring it back up again. So yeah. I did it, y'all. Here we go. Ooh, yes. Just gonna go back and fix a few pieces. And here's one style I did, you know. And now this other style, you know, a little bun going on here. Cute, cute, cute. Oh yeah, girl, you better work it. Work it, girl. Work it, girl. It is so pretty and I'm so proud of myself. So, yep, I did it. Hopefully you guys like my tutorial and more tutorials will be coming soon. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.